In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GPT-4 for free. As you may know, accessing GPT-4 can sometimes come with a cost, but today I'll guide you through some simple steps so you can start using it without dipping into your wallet. Let's get started, and by the end of this video, you'll be up and running with GPT-4, exploring its powerful capabilities at no cost. First, you need to head over to the ChatGPT platform. It's the central hub for accessing OpenAI's models like GPT-4. Open your web browser and type in the URL to land on their official page. Having access from the official platform ensures you're experiencing all the features without any third-party restrictions or issues. Once you're there, the next step is to create a free ChatGPT account. For those who don't have an account yet, this is crucial. Look for a sign up or register button. They typically require basic information like your name and email address. After filling in your details, you might need to verify your email. So check your inbox for a verification email, follow the link provided, and voila, your account is ready and awaiting you. Now, to maximize your free usage, it's important to understand how ChatGPT offers limited free windows or trial allocations. This means from time to time, they allow free access to some of their premium features as a way of attracting new users and giving you a taste of what the full package entails. Keep an eye out for any announcements or updates on their site regarding these free access periods. With your account set, you're ready to dive into a new conversation. Go ahead and open a fresh chat window. This blank slate is your playground to interact with GPT-4. Whether you're asking questions, seeking advice, or just curious about how the AI responds, this is where your exploration begins. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upload images and files for free. This feature is exceptionally useful if you have visuals that need analyzing or files that accompany your chat. Simply use the upload functionality within the chat window. It's seamless and gives you a more immersive experience. Finally, remember that ChatGPT doesn't just stop at text. You can leverage features like deep research and even image editing, all from within your free sessions. These capabilities allow you to conduct comprehensive inquiries and make adjustments to images, enhancing the overall utility of the platform. By following these steps, you can effectively use GPT-4 without incurring any fees. The platform offers a treasure trove of features ready for you to explore. So dive in and start experiencing the power of AI at your fingertips, all for free. Thank you for watching and enjoy your journey with GPT-4.